Hi everyone, this is Mr. Daniel, and I just wanted to show you something that you can do at home to practice your oral English. Not just your listening, but also your speaking. Many people spend a lot of time reading and listening, but they don't realize that you can also practice your speaking at home without any teacher and without any native speaking teacher and still improve your fluency, your pronunciation, and your usable vocabulary. Now, one thing that I like to do is called a close reading. We use this in the classroom all the time, but you can use it at home for English. A close reading is when you pick a small paragraph or a small passage of a text, and then you go over that paragraph or that passage or that part of the script very carefully. Let me show you what I mean. Today, I'm going to use a paragraph from Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, or the Sorcerer's Stone, Chapter 8. This is a speech that Professor Snape is giving to his students on the first day of school. It's a great paragraph. There's lots of good English. You get to learn about Professor Snape's character, and also there's some dialogue, so you can practice reading it as one of the characters. But before we start reading out loud, let's just read it silently. Just read it for fun and to get a general understanding. After that, we'll read it again. And make sure that we understand everything in the paragraph. This is the step that we use context clues or a dictionary to find out what all the words mean. And to make sure we have, so right now, press pause and read the paragraph. If you don't understand every word this time, it's okay, because when I read it, I'll tell you what they mean. Go. Okay, how did you do? Do you understand what's going on in this paragraph? Professor Snape is talking to the class. He's telling them what a powerful kind of magic potion making is. And he's also telling the class, if you're not a dunderhead, you'll be able to learn a lot. So instead of looking up all the words, I'll just read it and tell you what they mean. So some of the tricky vocabulary in this paragraph might be, subtle science and exact art, right? That means potion making, you have to be very careful and delicate, and you have to look carefully. I don't expect you will really understand the beauty of the softly simmering cauldron. Right? A cauldron is that big pot that you use to make potions. And simmering, that's a word you use to describe when soup is cooking. It's boiling, but it's not boiling very hard, just a little bit. That's simmering. And shimmering fumes. Fumes are like gases that you can smell, and they're shimmering because they're hot and floating up. And let's see here, power of liquids that creep through the human veins, bewitching the mind. That means the potions can bewitch you. They can control you with magic. Ensnaring the senses. Ensnare means to catch. So your senses, your smell, your taste, I guess they can control you that way. I can teach you how to bottle fame. Wow. That means you can make a potion and put it in a bottle, and that potion can make you famous. Brew glory.